The Bitzer ECOLITE, for any requirement, for any application. Medium and low temperature applications, all covered by a single condensing unit series worldwide. The Bitzer ECOLITE, the ideal solution for all your applications. Easy to install thanks to plug-and-play concept and ensuring reliable operation, always and everywhere. Thanks to the future-proof A2L refrigerant and high energy efficiency of the EcoLine compressor, the ECOLITE meets the criteria for a small carbon footprint. One family for any application, even on a larger scale. The right choice for any requirement, thanks to extensive equipment. A whole host of software functions ensure the optimal application temperature in any situation. One thing is certain, you can always rely on ECOLITE regardless of the climate zone. Not even demanding applications are a problem. The cooling temperature remains constant in all ambient temperatures, and even with temperatures of up to plus 55 degrees Celsius. The ECOLITE is easy to operate, thanks to the user-friendly controller and best software connectivity. A condensing unit that can be used anywhere, even long pipe runs and height difference are no problem. The ECOLITE also offers the option of heat recovery to increase the system efficiency and thus minimize operating costs. Another advantage is the optimal sound insulation, which eases the integration of ECOLITE in its neighborhood. This makes the ECOLITE the right choice at all times, all over the world. The EcoLine semi-hermetic reciprocating compressor delivers the usual Bitzer reliability. The very stepless mechanical capacity control ensures greater efficiency for all applications and guarantees outstanding adjustment to operating conditions and system requirements. Connectivity with the best software and the live data log enables simple commissioning, monitoring and evaluation of operating data. All the features promote high operating reliability, exceptional energy efficiency and sustainable solution for your application. The ECOLITE range includes 7 models, which can be used for medium and low temperature applications. The ECOLITE, made by Bitzer. All in one, including proven Bitzer components. And thus always the right choice for any requirement, for any application.